Hello, I'm Debbie from the Broadstairs Town Shed. We work with lots of different organisations, local charities. We help them with commissions they may want for their premises. The excitement around the stash that we've now got is unbelievable. It will make a big difference because we're always looking to buy wood finishing treatments for all of the items that we make to finish them.
I'm Richard Tremaine. I'm one of the shed heads at Broadstairs Town Shed. I've been here 8 years. I work in the turning room teaching people wood turning. I sing the praises of this place. It really is a godsend to anyone. If you're feeling slightly down or something like that, come along here. We'll soon lift you up.
We've got a lot of enthusiastic members who really enjoy being here. The members tell me it's like going to work, but without having to go to work. They cook together, we eat together in our tea room upstairs. They all look out for each other. We really are much more than just a shed, we are a family. We take the well-being of our members very seriously because we want them to get out of the shed as much as they can.
Finishing products is the thing. If it's finished nicely and good, then people look at it and think, wow, that's stunning. You've given us a lot of finishes here that we can make things that we would be standard, look top of the range. Really can't thank you enough for them.